Hi folks, Peter Lawn here. Welcome to this update on my quality of life mod package for the game Icarus First Cohort. You might be familiar with my three-part video series on this mod, but there's been some slight changes that I've made and I wanted to go over those in this video. As of a few updates ago, Icarus devs have made a change to the game loading screen to alert you if it finds any mod files installed. On the main starting page in the upper left side of the screen, there will be a text alert indicating mods are installed, and if you hover your mouse over this little question mark here, it will display the actual pack file names of the mods currently loaded. So let's click on play and select our player in the character selection screen, and then head over to the workshop. With this mod installed, you will now notice two new menu items in the workshop menu down here on the lower left of the screen called Pete's Kits and Pete's Modules. These two new items will contain all the kits and modules added as part of this mod. When I first started modding Icarus, and a lot of modders, including myself, created altered items in the game by replacing existing workshop items with the modded items we wanted to see in the game. Now I've figured out a way to add my own modded items without affecting the existing items. So for example, the module Pete's Resource Killer module used to replace the Animal Health Bar module located under the Modules menu here. Another example is the awesome Teleporter mod by modder Jim K72, which in its original form replaced the Micro Meal under the Consumables menu here. I have now created a new instance of the Teleporter kit and included it under Pete's Kits section. It's important to note that Pete's Starter Loadout Kit, that's this kit with the helmet icon, already includes Pete's Resource Killer module as well as 2x Teleporter bundle kits, so you don't have to purchase those separately. With the introduction of the seed pouch added in the game in week 104 release, I have modified my Pete's All Seeds farming packet to include a modded 30-slot seed pouch. The mechanics of the game worked out so that when you unbundle the seed pack, all seeds automatically get dropped into the pouch and free up inventory space, which is a bonus. With these new changes, there will be some side effects to existing prospects that your character is on. If you previously had an older version of one of these modules, either in your player suit slot or stored in a cabinet at your base, this will now revert back to its original state as an Animal Health Bar module or the Adlift module in the case of the Pete's Insane Leveler module. It's not a big deal though, since the developers have recently made game changes that allow you to ship workshop items down to your base through the use of the Orbital Exchange interface. You need to unlock this blueprint by heading over to the tech tree and selecting Tier 2 tab at the top. You can find this device under the crafting bench, and you'll need to use some tech points and unlock the contact device first in order to unlock the Orbital Exchange interface. Once unlocked, build the Orbital Exchange interface at the crafting bench and place it outside somewhere at your base. I'm going to put this right next to my contact device. Now let's grab some gear from the workshop. Click the request button and click the workshop tab at the top right. Now you can purchase anything at the workshop. In this case, I'll grab a few items from my kits and then the two modules that I need for my character as well. Once you've purchased your gear, click Loadout tab at the top left and transfer your items to the dropship cargo. Then click the request button and the delivery pod will drop near your base with the items you requested. Go grab your gear from the pod and you're good to go. Something you should be aware of, and I think they should fix this, but sometimes the pod will land on or very near your base. When you send off the pod, the thrusters might damage surrounding base components. Just be aware of that possibility. You'll need to repair some of this equipment as needed. Well, that's it, folks. Be sure to check out the other 3-part video on how to install and use this mod's features with the changes shown in this video. Thanks for watching, folks. Have fun, prospectors.